is the wall that has my little shelf. And I put these 2 Christmas trees and I attached them to some lights. And we took down the barn painting that I had here, and I'm doing it in another room. I wanted to have my husband's deer mounts in here. So we are going to do tabletop decor today. So let's add some things to this tabletop. So I did this on this side. I have a lot of the old wooden corbels and things, and I just want to kind of accentuate the wood on either side of this area. Same thing over here. So you can see I have this one and this one. Of course, there's 2 candle holders, and we're gonna fix that in just a bit. I'm already really liking it. I have these very simple picks that I'm going to use in my basket over top of these lights. That's how things get crazy. So the deer is in my way. So I'm gonna have to reconfigure this. So I had to shift it over slightly. And now I'm gonna regroup with my wooden corbels on this side. So I've added in some of my acorns. This is the back of my nativity scene. And then I think I'm going with the corbels this way. Here you go. I added in some birch logs. This is another stem that I just laid up in there. And then I just did my old crate and stacked my corbels all around. These candles, y'all, I got from Amazon. I love them. You probably saw me use them in the entryway with my red trucks, but these are the best candles. I love them. The other ones that I have bought before, they just die on me within a matter of a year or 2, but I've had these quite some time. Love them. And then, of course, my willow nativity scene. I added a little piece of birch with some moss over here. And you can see I've added moss in just to give a little texture. I think it's really, really pretty. Let me see if I can back up. I love it. I think it's beautiful. I don't want any ribbon on my trees. I don't want anything else. I just have my blue willow, or excuse me, my blue and white stuff down below. I have a mess everywhere else, but I love this area. This coffee table area. I want something simple. I want something compact where I can move it if I need to. So let's play with it. What I did was lay a table runner on here. Y'all, I do a table runner because this table is so dark and I just don't want to scratch it. So I always do a table runner. And now let's get a centerpiece. I used this on my dining room table for fall. Now I'm going to use it in the living room for Christmas. I love it. It's an old drawer, I believe. It's got a little notch on the front, a hole in the back, and then it's got side-in holders. I don't understand what it was, but so I like this, but don't I need the joy higher? Goodness, that's so much better. If you do not have books in your home, they are a very good investment. They add character to anything you do them with. And look, it did exactly what I wanted it to do. Yeah, I see you. Oh, I love them in here. So there's 2 sprays, one on either side. I just butted them together end to end. And I made kind of a swag out of it. And I think it's beautiful. But now I need something in these holes back here. Added me 2 fall collection at Hobby Lobby pine cones in there, like I have on my mantle, but it needs something else. I think that's it. Just a little ribbon, a few ornaments, and a little bit of leftover red berries that I had from the other tree. Perfect. Okay, last area of the day. Don't look in my kitchen. It's awful. But I have this area over here. This was the table that was in the entry foyer. I did go down below and cover up the plugs because I cannot stand seeing plugs. My lamps are over here. Now I want to add a table runner and some other table runner on there. Now let's add a dough bowl. It's a good size. It's nothing huge. Gracious, who can afford a big one? But I think I want to put my amber jars in it. But maybe I need some greenery. That. Ooh, I love that. I think I want to add a little bit more. Trial and error. Trial and error. I don't think I like that. I think I just like just the jars by themselves. Yeah, that's what it needed. I got these deers last year at Hobby Lobby. And I noticed they still have them this year. Really pretty with the amber jars. Very natural. And that's the look that I'm going for in this living room. So I'm loving this. Thank y'all for joining me today. I hope y'all got some inspiration for your own home. Y'all have a happy day.